ఏ సినిమా షూటింగ్ నుంచి వచ్చారో చెప్పండి.
నేను కూడా లోకలే.
ఓకే, మాట్లాడండి.
అందరికీ నమస్కారం. First of all, thanks to all the press and media for being here on this occasion. And pardon me if I miss out on a few names, and I'm just making my speech a little crisp as I'm running to my shoot right now. As I always say, thank you so much, Raja sir. Raja sir was the one who gave me this platform called Remo. It's always a movie which is close to my heart. Thank you, sir. PC sir, it's a great opportunity to have worked with this legend. Thank you, PC sir. And Baki, he's a debut director, but I've never felt that he's one like that. He's always made us feel comfortable, and I'm sure he'll go to great places. Thank you, Baki. And Ani, I'm very happy, Ani, because I think probably I'm the only heroine to have got the opportunity to work with you consecutively for 3 movies. Remo and Tana Sendakutam with Surya sir, and my Telugu project next with Pavan Kalyan sir. So very happy, Ani. Thank you so much. And the whole team of Remo, all the technicians, and thanking everyone on the stage. And Shiva, I'm very happy for Shiva because I think it's one of the best debuts he could ever get in Telugu. I'm very, very happy for you, Shiva, and I'm happy that Dil Raju sir gave a very nice platform for him in the Telugu industry. And I think I've mentioned everything. Thank you so much.
Hi, India Glitch viewers. నా పేరు పూరి జగన్నాథ్. ఎక్స్క్లూజివ్ వీడియోస్ ఇండియా గ్లిచ్ యూట్యూబ్ ఛానల్లో చూడండి. ప్లీజ్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ ఐజీ తెలుగు.